Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and now we can open the Huawei Health application on our phone. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on the device's icon, select your Huawei Watch GT 3 from the list. And for now, I'm just gonna skip the permissions. And on this page, you can scroll down, find this option called notification, or notifications rather. Tap on it, and here we can enable the notifications by tapping on the switch. And once you enable them, you might get asked to allow a couple of permissions. So tap on the screen right now, and it will redirect you to the notification access. And basically we need to allow the notification access to the Huawei Health application. So it's selected right here from the list. Tap on the switch, tap on allow, and now we can tap on back to go back to the app. And at this point, the notifications should be enabled, as you can see. And you can enable and disable notifications for the specific apps, as you can see. And once you're done customizing this, you can also minimize or close the app, then press and hold on the Huawei Health icon to open this menu, tap on the info icon, then tap on permissions, and here we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed. Sometimes the app will ask you for them, but as you could see before, we didn't get asked to allow the permissions. So if you want to receive the notifications about calls and SMS and stuff like that, you need to allow the permission for the call logs, contacts, phone, and SMS. So let's allow them. Like that. Simply tap on one, tap on allow, go back, and like that. And allow the required permissions. I believe that's about all. So basically, call logs, contacts, phone, and SMS. And at this point, once you allow the required permissions, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm just gonna open a Discord on my other phone and send myself a message on Discord. And we got the message on our phone. Also, I believe we got it on a watch. So if we press the crown button to wake up the screen, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the notification menu. Here we have it. Here we have our notification. We can tap on it to read it. We can swipe, I believe, up and down or right. Oh, my bad. Also, you had this bin icon right here to clear all of the notifications. And that's about it. That's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.